We have a very simple question here. The question says that let the harmonic mean of two positive real numbers a and b be 4. So let's write what are they saying. So they are saying harmonic mean. You know that, right? The harmonic mean would be 2ab upon a plus b, that is equal to 4. This is what they have given you. Next, they are saying that q be a positive real number such that these are in arithmetic progression. Again, very simple, that they are saying that A, 5, Q, and B are in AP. Now, what are they asking you? They're asking you what is this value, Q minus A. So basically, if you can get your Q or A, then you are done, okay? Telling what is this value. So only two informations, that this is number one and the other one is number two. So what do? I just try to figure out, like, these are in AP, so that means 5 is an arithmetic mean of A and Q. Write that a plus q by 2 is 5. Okay, from here you can easily get value of q or a, whichever you want. Let's figure out what is value of a here. So 10 minus q. Similarly, I know that q is arithmetic mean of 5 and b. So let's write that 5 plus b by 2 is q. From here I can get the value for b. So b is 2q minus 5. Now I can use these two equations 1, 2 and 3 and plug in 1. Okay, let's see what we get. So 2 times AB. Okay, so now what is my A now? 10 minus Q. And what is my B now? 2Q minus 5. Okay, divided by A plus B. So let's write that A plus B, that's equal to 4. So you know that, right? Now you are going to get a quadratic equation which you need to solve. Okay, so as simple as that. So let's cancel this out and try to form a quadratic equation. So how much is that? In numerator you get minus 2q square and then plus 25q and then minus 50. Okay, and in the denominator what are you getting? 2q minus q, that's q, and 10 minus 5, that's 5. Okay, so q plus 5. I have multiplied, right? You can do that. Okay, so let's form the quadratic equation now. 2q square plus 25q and minus 2q, that's 23q, and minus 50 and minus 10, that's minus 60, is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. If you want, you can multiply by a negative sign. You end up in getting this. Okay, now simple, factorize this up. Now what's a factorization? Okay, whatever method you want, you can use. You can just split this 23. It's easy, right? 60 into 2 is 120. So 15, 15 and 8, right? 15 and 8 works, yeah. Okay, so let's do that. So 2q squared minus 15q minus 8q plus 60 is equal to 0. So let's factorize. What do you get? You will get from here 2q minus 15. I have skipped one step. I hope that is fine. And the other would be q minus 4. Okay, this is the factorization you get. So the q value you're going to get is 15 by 2 and the other value is 4. You're getting two values for q. Okay, similarly, like you know that you're, because why am I interested in a also? Because I want to figure out what's q minus a. So corresponding to 15 by 2, what is my a? A is 10 minus q, right? A is 10 minus q. So 10 minus 15 by 2. How much is that? 5 by 2. Okay, so corresponding to 15 by 2, my a is 5 by 2. And corresponding to q4, it's simple, 10 minus 4, that's 6. Okay, so 6. So what's my q minus a value? Modulus of q minus a. So modulus of q minus a, when your q is 15 by 2 and your a is 5 by 2, minus 5 by 2, that's 5. Okay, and what's q minus a when you are this 4 and 6? Okay, so your q is 4 and your a is 6, you are 2. Okay, so you got two values, that is 2 and 5. Very simple question. We'll see you with another one soon. Bye bye.